Okay, so I figured it out. When you go on to like right now, this is a Me Too T-shirt one I'm working on with my team partner for the beginning of the next year. If I go and I make it full screen, obviously you can see most of it. I click on and it goes to every single page, right? And I've got a couple of things clicked so that way if I click my Bitmoji, it goes to my About Me page and then I can go back. Well, okay, I figured it out. When you go over here, you can either hit slide up here or you can right click the slide that you don't want people to see when you're actually presenting. So like on your scavenger hunt that we did, you can hit right click and then skip the slide and it comes with that little not seeing and it says skipped when presenting. So now I'm going to skip all the slides after that one where it has all the links in it. And then I'm going to present from the beginning. So when I link it on the web, when people see it, I can click, click, click. But when I get to here and I click, it won't go anywhere because nobody can see it. But I can still click my person and it will go to that slide because I have it linked in this slide. And then it goes back and I can still click, 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 click until I click that link. So I'm super excited. I'm going to share this with you. Okay, bye.